Whoa! Did you know that an asteroid once came so close to Earth that it could have erased cities or even changed the course of history? And most of us didn't even know it happened? That's right. Today, on Science Spark, we're diving into the incredible yet terrifying story of Asteroid 2004 FH, the asteroid that almost destroyed Earth. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at the night sky the same way again. To understand just how close we came to potential disaster, let's start with the basics. Asteroids. What are they, really? Well, asteroids are rocky remnants left over from the early formation of our solar system, about 4.6 billion years ago. Most of them are found in the asteroid belt, located between Mars and Jupiter, but some, like our protagonist today, stray far beyond that boundary. Now here's where it gets awe-inspiring and downright scary. Earth crosses paths with countless near-Earth objects, or NEOs, every single year. These space rocks vary in size from a few meters to several kilometers. While most of them harmlessly burn up in our atmosphere as meteors, others, well, they're large enough to cause catastrophic damage if they ever hit us. And an asteroid named 2004 FH brought us frighteningly close to such a scenario. Let's rewind to March 18, 2004. This was the day astronomers at the Lincoln Near-Earth Asteroid Research Program, or LNEAR, detected a strange object hurtling through our part of the solar system. True to their style, they named it Asteroid 2004 FH. But they had no idea just how special and dangerous this asteroid was. At least, not yet. Now, here's the wild part. 2004 FH measured about 30 meters in diameter. I know what you're thinking. 30 meters doesn't sound huge, right? But let me put this in perspective. Remember the meteor that exploded over Chelyabinsk, Russia in 2013? That meteor was only about 20 meters wide, and it shattered windows across an entire city and injured over 1,000 people. Imagine what 2004 FH could have done at 30 meters if it had actually struck the planet. But here's the kicker. On March 18th, just 3 days after it was first spotted, 2004 FH zipped past Earth at an astoundingly close distance of, get this, only 42,600 kilometers, or around 26,500 miles. To put that in perspective, that's closer than the orbit of most geostationary satellites. That's right. This asteroid came closer to your precious GPS and TV satellites than the moon is to Earth. Let that sink in for a second. For astronomers, this was a huge wake-up call. The solar system can be a chaotic place. Watching 2004 FH whip by at such an astonishingly close range felt like witnessing a cosmic bullet miss its target by mere inches. And though it missed, researchers were left to ponder, what if it hadn't? Here's what scientists concluded. If 2004 FH had actually struck Earth, it would have entered Earth's atmosphere traveling roughly 40,000 miles per hour. That's over 20 times the speed of a bullet fired from a rifle. It likely would have exploded in the atmosphere as an airburst, which is basically a fancy term for a space rock explosion. The energy released? Approximately equal to the power of several atomic bombs. And unlike smaller meteors, which cause localized damage, 2004 FH could have leveled entire city blocks, or worse, triggered a shockwave that would have caused devastation over hundreds of kilometers. Think of it as an event similar to the Tunguska explosion of 1908, when a meteor leveled 2,000 square kilometers of Siberian forest. That's an area larger than the entire city of Los Angeles. Now imagine if such an explosion had occurred over a densely populated urban area. The effects would be catastrophic. But how was this near miss even possible? How did this asteroid slip so close, almost undetected, in a modern age filled with satellites and telescopes? The answer lies in nature's chaotic unpredictability and our own limitations as sky watchers. Let me explain. Asteroids are like cosmic wanderers. While most follow predictable orbits, some can be nudged off course due to gravitational forces from planets, collisions with other objects, or even the Yarkovsky effect. a phenomenon where sunlight causes asteroids to change trajectory due to uneven heating. As a result, tracking these celestial troublemakers can be tricky. Even with modern technology, such as telescopes, infrared detectors, and sky mapping software, spotting asteroids like 2004 FH can be tough. In fact, 2004 FH was only discovered 3 days before its close encounter with Earth. Had its course been just slightly different, we may not have had enough time to prepare, or even realize it was coming. Thankfully, the near miss didn't go unnoticed. Events like 2004 FH have spurred global efforts to improve asteroid tracking. Organizations such as NASA and ESA are now working on planetary defense strategies, like creating an asteroid early warning system or even testing asteroid deflection technologies with missions like DART, the Double Asteroid Redirection Test. The good news? Thanks to this increased focus on detection, astronomers can now catalog thousands of near-Earth objects. And while it's true that space is unpredictable, knowledge is power. The more we learn, the better equipped we are to defend against any potential asteroid threat in the future. And that brings us to the most important part of this story. The dance between Earth and asteroids is a delicate one, filled with near misses and cosmic surprises. The fact that we've made it this far without a devastating impact is nothing short of incredible. But Asteroid 2004 FH serves as a reminder that humanity has always been at the mercy of the cosmos, and that with science, vigilance, and creativity, we can protect our fragile planet. So next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember this: every star, every streak of light is part of a cosmic story. And within that story lies the unpredictable, thrilling, and astonishing tale of Asteroid 2004 FH, the asteroid that almost destroyed Earth. Thanks to the exceptional work of astronomers, we live on to tell the tale. Thank you for joining me today on Science Spark. If this video sparked your curiosity and left you in awe of our incredible universe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating science stories. This breathtaking video was crafted by VidWiz. Want your own exciting videos for fun or profit? Click the link in the description to get started today. See you next time and keep looking up.